मुझे काफ़ी लोग पूछते हैं that हमेशा ऐसा होता है behind every successful man there is a woman. Actually, behind every successful woman, every achiever who is a woman, कौन होता है?
First and foremost, I think I would have to thank my parents for giving me, or rather inculcating the right values.
So it was my mum who made sure I studied nutrition, and it was my mother-in-law who made sure I practiced the nutrition.
I attribute my success to all those people who've supported me through my highs and lows, my fans who love me a lot. Because of you guys, I am what I am today.
Everything, whatever little I have achieved in my life so far, then first and foremost, that is my audience, it is my viewers, it is the Dum Dum Army that has given me everything.
It was my wonderful mom who I learned so much from and who inspired me and pushed me to always do the best.
The privilege of being born my mother's daughter. Not just because my mother's been my idol, she's such a strong, sensitive, talented, beautiful woman, but because she gave me the biggest gift of all, the gift of equality when I was growing up.
For me, success is being inspired and waking up every day and inspired to telling stories.
What I would attribute my success to is a lot of teamwork, a lot of hard work over 10 years, and just turning my passion into my business.
My family, for being the OG support system that I have in life. They have given me the freedom.
The rest, I think I would have to credit the Lord above and a bit of my discipline.
It was my wonderful husband and my in-laws who truly, in the right sense of the word, were my pillar.
Definitely my father. He was very encouraging. My father really was the wind beneath both us girls, and he wanted us and supported us in everything that we wanted to do.
My father, I think the belief that he had in me, वो आज भी उन्हें लगता है कि मेरी बेटी सब कुछ कर सकती है. That's amazing, क्योंकि वो आपको जहाँ अपने self doubt होता है कहीं, तो वो भी चला जाता है, क्योंकि you feel अरे if he's confident, I can do it.
If there was one man that I would contribute my success to, it had to be my father, because he's the one who's always been pushing me and making me want to dream bigger and grow, and just he's the force behind everything that I do.
I think life totally changed for me after Raj coming into my life, and he's been the wind beneath my wings. I'm able to achieve all that I am in my life because he is such a strong support system.
And then, of course, it was Chef Sanjeev Kapoor who nudged me in this direction and gave me the show Mummy Ka Magic, who made me popular.
We as women take so much care of everyone around us. It is inherently in us to put everyone else before us.
I hope that we reach a stage where we don't have to celebrate Women's Day, and that every day is equal for men and women.
On this Women's Day, I wish and pray that every child, every girl, every boy, उनको हमेशा पूरा परिवार का साथ मिले, वो जिंदगी में जो सपने देखें, जो उड़ान भरना चाहें, वो खुले आसमान में उड़े.
May your life be a series of miracles, punctuated by fabulous lunches and dinners.
To all the women out there, I just want to say that just know that we are not each other's competition, we are each other's companion. We hold our hands together and we walk together.
There's a great power to sisterhood, so cheers to sisterhood, and wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day.
So this Women's Day, I'd like you to take one tiny step back and say taking care of yourself is also important.
Happy Women's Day to me and happy Women's Day to you.
Wish you all a very happy International Women's Day.
We really don't need super before woman, because just being a woman is super enough. So that is our superpower. Recognize it, value it, and do your best.
The most powerful day, सबसे powerful दिन साल का अगर है तो वो है 8 मार्च. हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे. नारी दिवस की आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.